Good afternoon and welcome back to another media. Welcome to an episode of Cooking with Ash. We are ready, Blue. We're getting ready to make some stuffed clams or stuffed spaghetti clams. Isn't that what we're making today?
No.
What are we making?
We're making stuffed shells.
There you go.
We're making spinach and ricotta stuffed shells.
So fancy. I can't wait because
Italian today.
yeah, you told me I better like it. And
I think you like it. It's just a bunch of cheese. Do you like cheese?
oh, yes I do. But you're also making something else for dessert.
Yes, banana bread. I've never made it before, so we'll see how it goes.
And she said I better like it too.
I've never tried it either, so I've never made it and I've never tried it.
Exciting.
Alright, so these are the ingredients. I got traditional pasta sauce from Publix. This is Publix brand. I got ricotta cheese. You're gonna need Parmesan cheese, some spinach, large jumbo shells. This is not usually the brand that I buy, but this was the only one that they had today. I got Italian cheese as well as mozzarella cheese, and then garlic bread. I could have done the garlic bread from scratch, but it's easier just to buy it sometimes.
Also, while Ashley have them there pretty dry. So, all right. So this goes into the oven, right? After the cheese.
Yeah. I'm going to top it off with more mozzarella cheese. I mean, who doesn't love cheese, right?
Looks so good.
I do need another tray because it's only fit 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of them.
Right. So
I might stuff like 2 more in here type of thing, but I'm definitely gonna have to use another tray for sure.
We have there, we got a pack of 4, so.
So I had already preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and you just eyeball it basically until the cheese is melted.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Kind of like when you're doing a pizza.
Right.
In the oven.
Okay guys, so we put it in the oven. Just wait until, you start to see the cheese melt a little bit and the garlic bread until it gets crispy and that the middle melts.
And we did 3 trays, right?
2 trays.
Oh, 2, that's right.
Yeah, 2 trays. that have about 13 to 14 each. And I still have stuffed shells left over. So it makes a really good amount. You know, you can feed a good amount of people with this. Okay, so it's been like about 20 minutes.
They look ready.
All my cheese has melted. This is the part that I hate. So I already burnt myself.
They look really good. They smell good. We already tried the garlic bread, like a little piece of the garlic bread, and it's pretty good. So I think dinner is served.
So guys, this is basically your tutorial on how to make this. If you have any questions, you can always leave them down in the comments. It's a pretty easy meal to make. It doesn't have that many ingredients. You can always opt out and not do the spinach. Maybe you want to fill it with, I don't know, some type of meat or anything like that. I mean, you have a lot of variety when it comes to this, but it's a quick, easy dinner meal to make. So here we have our taste tester.
Right?
See?
Gonna taste some of the everything here with the spinach and everything.
Careful, it's really hot.
Not really.
No?
No. It's really good.
You like it?
I like it.
Anything you would add?
No. I don't know what to add on this. It tastes like a lasagna with spinach.
Right.
But it's good. It's really good. Well, that was so good. It was amazing. I ate a lot. I am super full. I am stuffed. That garlic bread was really good.
Yeah, I used to eat it as a little girl. My mom used to buy it a lot.
It was really, really good. Highly suggest if you guys like garlic bread, make sure you get that one. But overall, it was a great, successful Cooking with Ash vlog. It was amazing. And now we're getting ready to eat dessert. That will be a separate video. Ash is making a banana bread. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys found it useful in case you guys are trying to make stuffed clams.
Stuffed shells.
Stuffed shells. In case you guys are trying. In case you guys are trying to make stuffed shells, not shelves, shells. So, if you don't miss our next video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment if you guys are trying this or if you've tried it before. And if you guys liked it. Why?
So
Wish you guys can stay, but now it's time for you to go.
Bye.